Hello students, today we are discussing some questions from exercise 1.3. Okay. These are all of multiplication. I will multiply the integers if it is negative and if it is positive. Okay. 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. That is, how many negative integers are there? 1 negative integers. The number of negative integers is even, then the answer is positive. And if the number of negative integers is odd, then the answer is negative. Just remember that thing. Okay. Here two integers are there, but negative integer is 1. Negative integer is 1. That is an odd number. 1 is odd number. The number of the negative integer is 1. That is odd. Therefore, the answer must be negative. Okay. 3 into 1. First you just leave the sign and multiply. 3 into 1 is 3. And only one negative integer is there. That is odd number. Therefore, answer is minus 3. Then, next step. Here also, two integers are there. And only one negative integer is there. Minus 1 into 225. That is 1 into 225 is 225. And only one negative integer is there. Therefore, answer is minus 225. Then, minus 21 into minus 30. Here, two negative integers are there. 2 means even number. Even number of negative integers are there. 1 and 2. 2 are there. Therefore, first you have to multiply 21 into 30. 21 into 30 is what? 63. Then, one more 0 will come. This 0. From 630. Then, number of the integers are even. Therefore, answer is positive. Okay. Multiplying two negative integers, answer is positive. Then, here also same minus 316 into minus 1. Two negative integers. 2 is even number. Even number of negative integers are there. Therefore, answer is positive. Then this one minus 15, 0, minus 18. Here two negative integers are there and one 0. When we multiply any number with a 0, the answer is 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Three integers are there, but how many negative integers are there? Two negative integers are there. Therefore, the answer must be positive. Then 12 into 11, that is 132. 3 into 10 is 132. So, a normal multiplication. You can multiply 12 into 11. Then multiply it with 10. You will get 1320. Then sign. After that, just see the sign. Here two negative integers are there. That means negative number of odd number of negative integers are there. Therefore, answer is positive. Then 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. First you find the answer. 9 into 3 into 6. 162. Then find out that integers. How many negative integers are there? 2 are there. Therefore, answer is positive. Minus 18, minus 5, minus 4. Here 3 negative integers are there. First you multiply 18 into 5 into 4. That is 360. Then for the sign, how many negative integers? 1, 2, 3. That is odd number. Therefore, the answer is negative. Then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 4. 4 is positive and 3 negative integers are there. 1 into 2. Then 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24 is the answer. Then how many negative integers? 1, 2, 3. 3 negative integers. That is odd number. Therefore, answer is negative. Okay. Then last one, minus 3, minus 6, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, multiply 6 into 3. That is 18. 18 into 3, 2, 36 into 1, 36. Then integers. How many negative? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative integers are there and 4 is an even number. Therefore, answer is positive. Okay. If that number of negative integers are even numbers you know, 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. These are even numbers. Okay. And 1, 3, 5, 7. These are odd numbers. Okay. Odd, these are even numbers. Then the number of negative integers, that means 1, 2, 3, 4 negative integers, that is even number, therefore answer is positive. Here number of negative integers is 1, 2, 3. 3 negative and 1 is positive. 3 negative integers, that is odd one, therefore answer is negative. Okay, just remember these things. The number of negative integers is even, then answer is positive. Number of negative integers is odd, then answer is negative. So first you just multiply the integers and after that just check these things and put the sign there. If it is even, you have to put positive sign of the then, or if the negative integers is odd, then you have to put a negative sign. You have to verify this one. This is the property that A into B plus A is A into B plus A into C. Distributive property. Just verify this property. Okay. 18 into 7 plus minus 3. Verify means you have to find. This is the left side, this is the right side. If left side is equal to right side, then it is equal. You have to check this is equal or not. Okay. First we can solve this left side. Left side is this one. Okay. 18 into 7 plus minus 3. This is the left side. That is 18 into 7 plus minus 3 is 4. Different side, therefore subtraction. 4. 18 into 4 is 72. Left side is 72. RHS right side is 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. Okay. 18 into 7 is 126. Plus 18 into minus 3. Multiplication, one negative integer is there, therefore it is minus 54. Okay. Then 126 plus minus, that is 126 minus 54 is 72. So left side is equal to right side. Both sides are equal. That is, we verified that answer. Okay. Left side is equal to right side. First you take the left hand side, then solve, we will get one answer. Then next solve the right hand side. If both the answers are same, then left side is equal to right side. Next we have to verify this one. 21 minus 21 into left side. First we can write left side is minus 21 into, then in bracket minus 4 plus minus 6. Okay, first you have to solve the things which are inside this bracket. Okay, minus 21 just write like this into, then this one is all minus 4 plus minus 6. Both are negative, therefore in addition we have to add it and put a negative sign. 6 plus 4, 10. And that is negative. Then minus 21 into minus 10, that is 210. Two negative integers, therefore answer is positive, 210. The next one, right side. Minus 21 into minus 4 plus minus 21 into minus 6. First solve this one. Minus 21 into minus 4. Both are negative. Two negative integers are there. Therefore answer is positive. Then 21 into 4 is 84. Plus this one. 21 into 6. 126. And both are two negative integers. Therefore answer is positive. 84 plus 126 is 210. Okay. Left side is equal to right side, or LHS is equal to RHS. It's also verified. Third one, for any integer A, what is minus 1 into A is equal to what? Answer, minus 1 into A is what? For any integer A. First you can take some examples. Okay, like example, if we take an integer A as 2. 2 is also an integer. Then find out if 2, that is minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 2 is what? 2 into 1 is 2. Then 1 negative integer, that means answer is minus. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Okay, next integer we can write 3. 3 into minus 1, or minus 1 into 3 is 3 into 1 is 3. And 1 negative integer, therefore answer is negative. Etc. If I take 100, 100 into minus 1, it is minus 1 into 100 is 1 into 100, 100, then 1 negative sign. Therefore, this is odd number. Therefore, answer is minus 100. Okay. That is minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 100 is minus 100. Then what is minus 1 into A? That is minus A. Minus 1 into A is minus A for any integer A. For any integer A. Minus 1 into A is minus 1. You just multiply this 1 into A. 1 into A is A. Then check how many negative integers are there. Here only one negative integer. Therefore that is odd number. Therefore answer is negative. Is determine the integer whose product is product with minus 1. Product with minus 1. Okay. Minus 22 is the question. We have to multiply it. Product means multiply. Multiply minus 22 with minus 1. Okay. First we have multiply 22 into 1 is 22. Then how many negative integers are there? 1, 2. That is even number. Therefore answer is positive. Then 37 into minus 1. 37 into 1 is 37 and 1 negative integer. Therefore answer is negative. Then 0 into minus 1. 0. When we multiply any number with the 0, answer is 0 only. Okay. So just remember this one. If the number of negative integers are here even numbers, therefore answer is positive. Here the number of negative integer is only 1 is there. That is answer is negative. And here 0. When we multiply any number with the 0, that answer is 0 only.